Alright guys, so this is how the Crush app works. I'll give you a detailed video. Please, before I start, please do like and subscribe to this YouTube channel. I really appreciate your friends that Crush like it. So now, this is how it goes. When you open up, this is what you'll be seeing. Excuse me. This is what you see. Okay, this is the interface. This is your live. This is party. Okay, this is party, this is your moments, and this is message. All right, so you go over here, me, which is your details. Okay, so what you have to do first and foremost is you need to do your face verification before doing anything in this app. Complete your face verification and make sure you get verified. All right, so now and secondly, you need to buy coins to activate your tax. But for the time being, there is a free tax whereby if you use it wisely, in 2 weeks you should be cashing out your income. Alright. So after your face verification and it is once it's being verified, you click here, set your details here. Click on this arrow here. So this your profile picture, your person and then this details is in tax works. So you can do that and you go back. Okay, so once you go back, yes, this app requires for you to join agency. Okay, it requires for you to join. So for now, maybe subscribe and maybe you feel like this can make me think you can do it, right? Just follow your hearts. But for the time being, I look for a good agent. This agency I am is just one agency. So now you click here. Okay, so network is bad. Sorry guys, my network is really bad. Okay, so this is your tax. Yes, like I said, they brought out a free tax, and if you use it wisely, you're supposed to be cashing out in 3 weeks. Okay, your minimum is 100,000. I don't know they call this, which is $10. So you stay in live stream for 60 minutes. So you stay in live stream for 60 minutes, and you get your 1,000. Let's just say diamonds, right? So okay, James, you stay join a party for 60 minutes. So let's try this. So I need to stay live for 60 minutes. That's here. So you can see it's when it's 60 minutes. Okay, when it's live 60 minutes, play more, right? Play very well. I'm not really far right now. I'm not for that right now. My network is just bad.
Does yesterday. I was on likewise, but it's not
Okay, I'm
it will
right
be
now.
from now to
I'm
to
into it right now.
be more perfect to do at a
So
particular time, knowing how to gamble, knowing how to do exchange. So I will process.
um okay, when you see this kind of thing, you click on I know I have agreed. Okay, so when you stay live, you have to go live. You click in this live, you can see you click this live for 16 minutes. After that 16 minutes, which is 1 hour, you claim your reward, your 1,000 gem. So the next thing to do, go back to that tax again, and the next tax. Please guys, you guys will bear with me, my network is really bad. Antonio. So this is the next tax. I'm not doing a party. Okay, yeah. When you click on this, you join any party of your choice. It can still be a party. Okay, you join any party of your choice for 1 hour. That same 60 minutes, and you get 500 gem. So you should be making at least 1,000, which is 25, plus 1,000, which is 3,000. You should gain 3,000. You can check it 3,000 daily times 7 days make 1 week times 14. You check how much it is times 1 month. You check how much it's really necessary and claim your reward that this is a free money if you don't points. But if you're a newbie in the app, for the existing app, you don't really need to buy coins. But if you're in the app, you need to buy coins and open your boost your level. Okay, so that is it. This is the live and party. So this app, if you're not using that, but with this free tax, you should be able to move on, right? You should be able to make it big. Okay. So here, okay, let's start with um step by step. So this life amati under your tax, this life amati, you can see back coins. You're expected to complete at least 50 days. Yeah, you're expected to complete at least 50 exchange. In the app, you can gift yourself, you can gamble, you can win big, right? You can also play game if you're a gamer and win big. So expected to give yourself this 50,000 gem to unlock to level. You can see it. Level 1 requires 50,000 gem to be unlocked to level 2, right? So the reward is 500 gem per hour. So you can do it. You unlock your level 2 tax. Remember this axis. The higher your level, the higher your income. You can see level 2, you're expected to gift yourself at least 100,000 gems to unlock to level. You have to upgrade to level 3, whichever one, and your reward is 700 plus gem. Okay, the same thing with level 3, you're expected to give yourself 150k gem to unlock to level 4, and the reward is 1000 plus per hour. All right, so that's how it is. Then we go back to daily. So daily task, invite one person to earn up to $200,000. My dear, the $200,000 not be $200,000, just 2,000 gem, right? And sometimes if your invitee do not complete match with the details, that's their policy, you will not be rewarded. Okay, so make sure you share this video to whoever you're inviting to get the information straight. All right, remember to like and subscribe to this channel. Watch live for 10 minutes. So if you stay in someone's live stream for 10 minutes, you collect this thing. So now what's the use of this thing? First and foremost, this thing is used to boost your gambling earnings. Okay, let me say, before you gamble, you need to throw this so you can try your possible best to achieve this. It helps the gambling to return bigger, higher, and when you're gambling is in, like, it helps it to return well. Let me just put it like that. If you throw this before you start gambling, you need to at least do this stuff. So once you complete the tax, make sure you always come and claim. Okay, so you chat at party for 30 minutes, you claim it. You chat in party for 5 minutes, you claim it. Always complete your taxes, helps in your level, whichever way. All right, so if you can start a PK, if you win in PK 2 times, you have a reward of 2,000